stuff. You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready too. So here we go. What we have here is veggie straws, sea salt. Thank you for shaking the table to me. Ginger snaps, these are cookies, circus peanuts, guava nectar, golden puffs. Put the water back. Cheese popcorn, and this potato nachi or ganchi. Last but definitely not least, it's something I've always wanted to try but was scared to, but now I will. Black licorice. Wally Waldy. We have 2 cups of water to help digest this stuff, and a plastic bag just in case we have to spit anything out. Alright, so we're about to get started, but first we have to take care of one thing. While that's boiling, what'd you ask me?
What do you want to try first?
Well, I'm glad you asked. So we're definitely going to save this licorice towards the end just because I'm very excited for that. So let's go ahead and start with these cheese popcorns. Are you ready? I guess so. Let's do it. Alright, so cheese popcorn. Can you guess how much this was?
$1.
Alright, oh, I ripped the bag. Alright, so that's what it look like. Cheese popcorns. What's the serving size?
Oh, I can smell it.
What's it smell like? Cheese popcorns?
Yeah.
Okay.
4.
2,
Oh! I didn't even think about it. Okay.
3.
It's good.
That's pretty good. It's just a little salty though. This is really salty.
It's rich. Rich in flavor.
So serving size is 3 cups. So we
3
need a whole
cups?
3 cups. So we need a whole bunch of this.
That's a lot.
Okay, that cheese popcorn was pretty good. Let's go on. Oh no, I dropped that. Let's go ahead and try these veggie straws. It says it's good health. Okay.
Sure.
Sure. Let's try it. Well, smells good.
Smells like chips.
Yeah. Let's go for it. I got a lot of yellow. It smells other things.
Gotta be diverse.
Diversity is key. Not the 1, 2, 3 again. Okay.
Okay, wait.
No, go back. Oh,
No.
oh, go back. Go back.
One more time.
No.
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 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I go. Oh, God, I'm choking.
They're good.
They're good, but they have like no seasoning at all. Like I've had like the real
Tastes like
version of
chips.
these.
These
I
are
mean-
like the real version?
No, these are from the Dollar Store.
No, I mean it's fake. I saw some Reese's out there.
True.
It was real
Nah, but I know
Reese's.
like there's a brand that they sell at my school, and it's like it's not real expensive actually. It's like maybe $2 for this, but I don't know. It's pretty good. I could snack on these. Approve?
Yeah.
Next thing, ginger snaps.
Ginger snaps.
So my sister claims that she's never had ginger snaps before.
Have you had them?
Yes, we've had them. I think.
Oh, they're cookies.
Yes, they're cookies. I've had them. I don't know if you've had them.
I thought they were little biscuits.
And I guess you could call that if you're in England. I hope I don't offend anybody who's from England.
No, that's what they call cookies. Biscuits. Looks
Smell
nice.
it.
Smells like
ginger.
something.
1, 2.
Uno,
1,
dos, tres.
Oh my gosh. Those are hard. And
Those are hard. I don't know what.
these need some milk. They need some milk.
All we got is almond milk.
No, but these are good, but they're extremely.
These might break my
Hard,
teeth.
like- I could eat these if they was a little softer. You might have to like
Those might break my teeth.
throw this in milk and like just throw them in the milk and just leave them there for like 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah, 2 days.
Ooh,
Get that ginger taste.
it's a ginger at the back of my throat. It's like a little ginger, like spice taste.
Ooh, like
I
that.
don't know if I like that. Do you taste it?
I like ginger though.
You like the little sting at the back of your throat?
I don't have a spoon in the back of my throat. Let me clear that taste out of my mouth though, because we're about to taste the next thing. Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh my gosh.
You feel
Oh.
it? You feel it?
Oh no, baby.
That's a no.
Oh no, baby. Approve?
No.
No. I'm about to pass on those. Brings us to our next thing. It doesn't really bring us to our next thing. I spilled a piece of popcorn? Apparently I spilled a piece of popcorn. Rest in peace. So, golden puffs. I've had the real version of these. I forgot what they're called though. I think it has a frog. Ooh, excuse me.
Frog.
Yeah, it's a frog.
You had a frog in your throat just now.
That was a burp.
That was a frog.
All right. So we have Golden Puffs. This is a cereal. So I kind of feel like we should drink it with milk.
Wow.
All right, back to the Golden Puffs. We're gonna be trying this. We're just gonna put a little bit. Just in case this is good, we can use it tomorrow. No, she ain't.
You're not Cardi B.
I'm Cardi T. I just saw you tear it, you cheater. I got mine. She got hers. 3, 2, 1. You just bought cereal?
I guess so. It's good.
Yes, it's good. Look at this.
Oh my god.
I was saying, you know, we got these right here.
Mm-hmm.
That is pretty good though. I can eat these. Approve?
Approve.
Approve. Get your Golden Puffs. Oh, let me take that stuff off. Can you go take that?
Has it been 2 or 3 minutes?
Yeah, it's been 2 minutes. She's taking the stuff off.
Disgusting.
Oh my gosh.
Looks like bootleg mashed potatoes.
This looks disgusting. Like,
I don't know if I want to try it. Ew! It looks like
We gotta
something come
try
out
it.
of somebody.
Alright, ready?
Oh, it looks
3,
so nasty.
2,
1.
1. You dropped most of yours.
Ah. No.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh. What is that? That was horrible. So, Samia, does this have your stamp of approval?
No.
That's a booty.
Does it have yours?
No! I need to sue Dollar Tree for that.
Straight up. Booty.
Alright. Okay, time to pour. What?
It smells weird.
Ready? 3.
Not bad.
It's kind of sweet though.
It's not something I would get again. If you do get it, you
So
have to
the-
mix it with something.
Yeah, I think you are supposed to mix it with stuff. Though, honestly, I don't think it's just to be drinking like that. Let me see if there's anything.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't really think about that. Shake gently before opening. Should we play back those clips?
Let me shake it.
Is that a stamp of approval for you? No. I think I'll give it a stamp of my approval. So we are down
Circus peanut.
to our 2 highly anticipated.
I feel like those are gonna be good, but these are gonna be nasty. Because those are
I kind of feel the opposite. The opposite.
opposite. I get you.
Smell these. Oh my gosh.
They stink?
Smell them. They smell so sweet.
They do smell so
They're
much
strong.
taffy.
Like really strong.
Ooh! This don't feel like no marshmallow.
It does it.
It
3,
smells just like taffy.
2, 1.
You little punk. Eat it!
Here we go. Don't let yourself forget that.
It's disgusting.
Oh my gosh. That's nasty. Oh my gosh. That
It's
is so-
extremely sweet.
It's in my teeth and like. We are down to our last one. The black licorice. The gourmet black licorice.
gourmet.
Are you ready for this one?
I am ready.
I'm just not the best at opening it. Alright. Smell it. Oh my gosh. Samia, I don't know if I can do this. Samia, I don't know if I can do
Could
this.
be a punk.
Do you smell that?
It's pretty strong.
That is so strong. Oh my god.
Don't you do what you did last time when you let me eat it first?
Alright, 3,
2,
1.
1.
You gotta swallow it. You gotta swallow it.
Are you the man? Are you the man? Are you the man? Are you the man? I got you.
Samia, don't spit that out. Oh my gosh.
Tastes like rubber.
Oh was so nasty.
Is mine?
That doesn't even look right inside.
Looks like a dark green.
So these are the best out of everything that we had. I think a close runner up.
Runner up.
I think that's gonna be these. No,
Nope.
I'm just kidding. These were absolutely disgusting. Like, I don't understand how people
That doesn't
are even eating black licorice. Like, I know, like, I've heard of people who love black licorice. I don't understand how, but this is pretty nasty. This is even worse. Which one would you say was at the very bottom? Out of the Ganucci, these, this, and this.
So, what's the worst out of the three?
Out of the three.
The Ganucci,
Ganucci, you think is the worst?
the worst, and then the licorice, and then the circus peanuts.
I'm going to actually do that extremely backwards. I say this was the worst. I don't know, I'm between this and the Ganucci. Because with the Ganucci, it definitely had potential as far as like
No.
what it could. Like if you added stuff, Dad was like, you gotta add stuff to it. I don't know.
Dad be saying some crazy stuff.
Alright. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna go this Ganucci, then the licorice actually. The no.
Licorice tasted like booty.
This tasted worse to me though.
That was just extremely sweet. It
No,
wasn't
this was
necessarily
nasty.
nasty.
No, this was nasty.
It was just
This
like,
was nasty. This was nasty. Oh, I can't even take the smell of this licorice, actually. The licorice might be on the bottom. I don't know. Okay. Well, yeah. Tried all this stuff.
Found some smoothie seasoning.
Found smoothie seasoning? Did you say smoothie seasoning?
Smoothie mix.
Okay. We found some good smoothie mix. We found some good snacks,
Cereal.
veggie straws. We found the best cereal probably in that store.
In the store. I thought you were gonna say in the world. I was like, no.
And we found some things that we know that we do not like. So I think that was pretty successful. I spent $8.32. So that's always a good thing when you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money to make a YouTube video.
See you later for part 2.
Definitely leave a like, and if you like the other videos, go ahead and subscribe. If you didn't like the other videos, just wait, come back, and if you like those, then subscribe. Alright. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.